All right, guys, so now that we've paired the LevelSmart, we've set the water level, we're pretty much done with the install. The last step, number 7, is just if it's on a smaller body of water, we're gonna have to make sure that our valve flow rate is turned down maybe about 3 full cranks, 3 full entire cranks down using a flathead screwdriver. This is gonna limit the amount of water that goes in on each fill, and on a smaller body of water, that's important so it doesn't go past your set level, because it does give you 7 minutes of water. So let's give you less water through that 7 minutes. That'll put you in a very good spot. So 3 turns down, that'll make sure that you don't go past your set level.